Experiment 8. Aim. To confirm Ohm's law and determine the value of an unknown resistance. Theory. Ohm's law states that when the physical conditions such as temperature and pressure are constant, the current, I, passing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference, V, across the conductor. In mathematical terms, this can be expressed as, where A represents the constant of proportionality, which is the resistance offered by the conductor to the flow of electric current. The C unit of resistance is ohm, omega. Materials that obey Ohm's law are referred to as ohmic materials. For such materials, a graph plotting V against I forms a straight line, and the slope of this line provides the value of the resistance, R. Materials required. Resistance wire, such as nichrome or manganese wire. Ammeter with a range of 0 to 400 mA. Voltmeter with a range of 1.5 V. Battery eliminator or dry cells. Rheostat. One-way plug key. Connecting wires. Procedure. 1. Establish the circuit connections as illustrated in the circuit diagrams. Refer to Figure 8.1 and Figure 8.2. 2. Take careful note of the zero error and the least count of both the voltmeter and ammeter. 3. Insert the plug key into the circuit and adjust the rheostat by moving its variable terminal until both the voltmeter and ammeter display readings. 4. Record the values of current, I, and voltage, V, as indicated by the ammeter and voltmeter. 5. Repeat steps 3 and 4 for various values of current. 6. Document all the recorded values in the observation table and calculate the resistance, R, in each case using the formula R is equal to V upon I. 7. Construct a graph with V on the y-axis and I on the x-axis and determine its slope. Observations and calculations. Observation Table 8.1. Observation Table 8.2. Result. 1. The graph of V versus I forms a straight line, confirming the validity of Ohm's law. 2. The resistance of the provided wire, R, A, calculated as R is equal to B, obtained from the graph, R is equal to precautions. Ensure all connections remain securely fastened. Clean the ends of the connecting wires using sandpaper. Utilize a low-resistance rheostat. Disconnect the key plug when not in use to prevent prolonged current flow. Connect the voltmeter in parallel and the ammeter in series. Ensure that the voltmeter's range exceeds the applied voltage. Expected errors. There is a possibility of connecting the voltmeter in series with the resistance. Observations may be affected by parallax error. Loose connections could introduce errors.